Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog and it's the morning, sakto, and I think ito yung pinakamagandang vlog because pag-usapan natin na tara, mag-invest na tayo. Kasi I think a lot of us might be the time na, lagi natin sinasabi na hindi mag-i-invest na lang ako this year, mag-invest ako next year, mag-invest ako bukas, mag-invest ako pag meron na akong pera. Alam mo guys, no. This vlog, pag pinapanood mo to, you're ready to start investing, let's do it as in simulan na natin. The same way na lagi ko sinasabi sa inyo, di ba guys, na parang sabi ko, hindi dapat parang chikahan lang tayo sa vlog. Okay, chikahan talaga tayo, tingnan mo ha. Gusto ko yung kape ko masyadong nag-overflow na. O diba, may kape ako dito. Nasa hotel room ako na nagkakape. Ito yung baso ko. Libre siya because, again, doon tayo sa libre. The same way na parang sabi ko, okay guys, hindi. Simulan na natin siya. I'll give you an intro about it. And then afterwards, what we're going to do is, syempre, do it with me. Mayroon tayong samples dito. But again, guys, remember, before you start investing, intindihin mo muna ano yung goals mo, financial goals mo. Why do you wanna invest? You have to understand first na bakit ba gusto mo mag-invest, di ba? Number two, you have to make sure that you understand the product and you understand the risk. Again, this is not financial advice, so you have to make sure that you do your own research before investing. Importante rin yun. Okay, now, gagawin ko siyang very beginner-friendly para tayong kaibigan na nagchichikahan over coffee kasi that's how I want to create the content, di ba? I always say na parang if you message me, sabi ko, hindi mahirap na nga yung buhay, tapos papahirapan pa ba natin yung mga financial topics? No, let's make it easy. So let's make it easy for today. So tara, mag-invest tayo ngayon, as in ngayon na. So guys, for this video, we're going to use Dragonfly as an example. But please note na syempre, hindi lang naman Dragonfly meron dyan. May Call Financial, may GCash, may BPI, may BDO, meron ka rin Metrobank, depending on what you're going to use. Now, why did I just choose Dragonfly for this specific video? It's because si Dragonfly kasi guys, meron siyang UITF or mutual funds, meron rin siyang stocks that you can buy, meron rin siyang REITs, diba? At saka meron rin siyang pera. So, if we're going to quickly go and do an overview of all of these, yung stocks, guys, ito yung bibili ka ng isang share of a company. Remember, sa stocks, guys, higher risk, higher reward siya. But with stocks kasi, diba, if, for example, bumagsak yung stock na yan, bagsak agad yung buong stocks mo. Or bumagsak yung company, bagsak agad yan. When you buy stocks, isa lang yun kasi per company mo yun. Now, on the other hand, if you buy mutual funds or UITFs, which I like, it's like yung pera mo buys multiple stocks. Kasi nga, for example, if you buy a tech feeder fund na UITF or mutual fund, it invests in multiple technology companies. So, nagsaspread out yung risk mo. Yes, may mga high risk rin, aggressive types of funds. Meron rin naman lower type or lower risk types of funds. Like it invests in bonds and bills. So, it really depends on your risk appetite. Ako personally, I love funds. And yun yung gagawin natin sa video na to. It's because for me, nagsaspread out yung mga risk mo. It's the more boring type of investment, pero for me kasi, boring works. And then, you have the real estate investment trust. Sa REITs naman guys, think of it like buying or investing in properties. Diba? Meron yan mga Ayala, land. You also have Robinsons, diba? And then, ang kagandahan dyan, wala kang sakit sa ulo na pag-manage ng property, maghanap ng magre-rent. Then, you get dividend. Kasi guys, mandated by law na ibigay nila or yung mga REITs companies na yan, kailangan magbigay ng dividendo sa mga nag-invest sa kanila. So, diba guys, parang every quarter merong bumabalik or may pumupunta sa iyong pera as in forms of dividends. So para nag-invest ka sa property, pero wala ka sakit sa ulo, pero kung nakakakuha ka ng dividendo, bongga, di ba? And last but not the least, it's your pera, which is your personal equity retirement account. Ito yung pinag-uusapan natin na, guys, ito yung parang kagandahan niya kasi when you buy, you invest in funds as well, but tax-free siya, yun yung kagandahan. And you have to just note na till the age of 55, nakalock yung pera mo. Hindi mo siya pwedeng galawin or i-withdraw unless meron talagang nangyari in some stipulated conditions na pwede mo siya i-withdraw. Now, yung pera mo, think of it as your retirement. Kaya nga siya retirement account. So that's why when you buy those funds, ang mindset mo is para sa retirement mo yan. Nag-i-invest ka para sa retirement mo. That one will be on a separate vlog naman para mas madali. Okay, so let's begin. Now, why did I want to talk about funds right now? It's because for me, funds, hindi mo kailangan masyado maging expert, but you have to understand the type of funds that you're going to invest in. Hindi mo rin kailangan na malaking pera kasi some funds can start for as low as 50 pesos depending on the platform. Then, yung mga iba naman nasa 1,000 pesos if mas aggressive yung fund yan or mga nag-invest on the international market. market. And then, syempre, hindi mo rin kailangan maging intimidated. Kaya nga, guys, ginagawa natin itong video na to. Parang nagchichikahan tayo. Yung kakape ko, hindi pa nga ready. O, maitim na ba?
Hindi pa.
Hintayin natin siya para umitim yung kape ko. Diba? So, that's the thing. We make it very easy as well. And, guys, this vlog is really your sign to start. Kaya nga, gagawin natin siya, sabay-sabayin natin siya. May screen recording ako dito para at least alam nyo rin as well. Okay, so again, guys, quick recap again. Remember that funds are investments na pinagsasama-sama yung pera ng maraming tao, and then may professional fund manager na nagmamanage nito or nag-handle nito to invest in specific companies. Now, ang kagandahan dito is you don't need to buy individual stocks, then hindi mo rin kailangan magbantay ng market, and hindi mo kailangan maging expert because there's somebody managing it for you. For me, perfect to for beginners, perfect rin to sa mga busy na tao, and perfect rin siya for people who want to grow their money. Now, why do I personally love funds? It's because hindi ko kailangan mag-isip, ano ba yung kailangan kong mga i-investa na companies? Or, nag-spread out yung mga risk ko. Meaning, I don't need to be worried about, hala, dapat ba ang investment ko company, Apple lang? Or maybe in the Philippines context, dapat ba Jollibee ang bibilin ko? Or SM lang? Or Globe ba bibilin ko? At least, I can buy a lot of different companies. And for me, every set day of the month, katulad ng investment day ko, bibili na ako dyan tuloy-tuloy. Di ako nag-iisip. I don't care if the market is up or down. I just invest. Diba? Invest lang ako na invest because I build that consistency already. So every 15th of the month, alam ko na, okay, investment day ko siya. Now, why do I talk about funds muna? For me kasi, diba, when you look at funds, or bakit siya magandang starting point, it's because when you buy funds, diversified kagad siya. For example, if I buy one of the funds that later papakita natin siya, makita niyo yung listahan ng different companies that it invests in. Second is also, may expert na nag-aalaga. Meaning, the company that manages that funds, syempre, eksperto sila dyan, di ba? Yun yung trabaho nila. So for me, okay, at least when I buy that fund, ito yung mga companies na invest na niya, gusto ko rin naman yung fund na yan, bahala na sila sa buhay nila to do that. And ako, minomonitor ko lang siya, and ako, bumibili na lang ako consistently. Because again, investing is also, kailangan consistent ka rin. Dapat dinadagdagan mo. Third point is, pwedeng maliit lang ang start mo. Some for as low as 50 pesos, but some is as low as 1,000 pesos, depending on what fund you're going to buy. And then, number 4, pinaka-importante sa akin, is talagang less stress. I don't want to think or stress at night na, hala, tumubo ba itong binili kong share? Kailangan ko ba siya ibenta? Ayoko niyan. For me, it's about investing, let it grow, done. Ganun lang siya. And uulitin ko ulit siya. It's that whole cycle na paulit-ulit. So that's why yun yung importante sa akin. And that's why funds ang gusto ko. Okay, now, syempre, let's do it step by step. This is the part where we're going to do it. And I wanna show with you, ito pong icon ng Dragonfy. Now, since I already have an account of Dragonfy, I will have screenshots here as well para makita nyo kung ano yung mga importante when you open an account with Dragonfy. Okay, so when you open an account with Dragonfy, meron siya via the website, ito yung itsura niyan, where you can open an account today or just download the app, which same process, yun rin yung kailangan mo i-input dyan. So for example, when you click on register with your account kasi, ang importante dito is when you register, you have to enter your email address, then you have to create a password, and if ever a referral code, if ever meron ka. Now, I am not in collaboration with Dragonfy here, pero guys, if ever you want to use my referral code, maraming salamat in advance. If you don't want to use it, it's okay. Wala namang problema as well. I'll just put it here or the link down below as well. Now, after you start your registration, you have to verify your email address. So, meron siyang isasend si Dragonfy sa'yo sa email mo, and you have to click on that link para mag-verify. Then, you have to complete your information. So, financial information mo, all of your details, nandiyan yung mga address mo. Then, guys, importante, if ever you want to open your Pera account using Dragonfy as well, kailangan meron ka ring TIN number here. So, guys, importante rin yan. And then, meron rin siyang signature. Yung 3 specimen signature mo, you can sign it by the app or you can sign it with the paper. Tapos papakita mo na siya. Importante rin po yon. So make sure that your signature is consistent with the ID that you're going to submit. And then, isasubmit mo rin via the portal nila or their app or the website, valid government ID mo. So guys, ano mga valid government ID? Passport, SSS ID, National ID, driver's license, PRC ID mo, importante mga yan. And then, you will have a selfie as well. So, all through the app, madali rin siya, all very digital rin siya. And then, review the terms, agree to the terms, the securities trading agreement, and then, yun na siya. So, yun yung importante sa ganon. Okay? And once you are able to open your account, then you have, usually guys, mga ano to, you need to wait around 30 minutes. It can also last for a day before you open the account or makapagbukas ka ng account kasi syempre, ang ginagawa nila dyan, back-end, chine-check rin nila yung mga details mo. They have to make sure na totoo rin, ikaw yung tao na yan, tama yung mga details mo. Again, this is also for your own protection. It's like opening a digital bank account, diba? Sometimes it takes a day, sometimes sobrang bilis naman. It depends. So, yun yung sinasabi ko. So, mas maganda pag start of the week, mag-start ka na or magbukas ka na. So, guys, I hope that is a quick overview or intro of how to open account. I cannot show you the account opening process lang. It's because nakapagbukas na ako ng account before. So, yun yung challenge lang natin dyan. Okay, so guys, now that we have that done and over with, I can now open my Dragonfly account. Again, guys, educational purposes, please make sure that you do your own research and you invest in things that you believe in. And guys, syempre, don't forget to do your own research every single time. Okay, let's open. So, if you've already opened your Dragonfly account, guys, you can log in via PIN or log in via Face ID. So, syempre ako, Face ID tayo ngayon. Now, if you're going to see it here, nandito yung buong Dragonfly account mo. Okay, so yesterday, I've already done the cash-in process. So, if wala pa yung pera yung account mo, makita mo rin naman dito na, okay, total investment mo will be 0. Yung sa akin may 1,000 kasi nakapag-cash in ako. Pero, if you need to cash in, just click on deposit. And then guys, marami siyang mga account funding. You have Dragonfly Save, CIMB partner niya, transfer from other Dragonfly accounts, InstaPay. So guys, pwede ka mag-InstaPay to, bigyan ka ng QR. Online bank transfer, so pwede yan. If you have Union Bank online banking, one of the easiest way, log in ka lang tapos automatic papasok siya. Then if you want to transfer larger amount, you have PesoNet. Guys, 1 day ang processing yan. And you also have bills payment. So sa bills payment, guys, maganda nito kasi meron siyang AUB, BPI, BDO, Metrobank, and Union Bank, and RCBC. So parang bills payment siya. It's one of the good processes. And guys, libre siya. So ang ganda talaga. Okay, so yesterday what I did was PesoNet. What I did was online bank transfer and then nag-Union Bank ako. I just had to log in with my Union Bank account. 1,000 pesos nilagay ko and then boom, nandiyan na siya sa account ko. Bongga, di ba? Okay, now, so guys, when you see it here, marami ka different types or maraming types of investments na nandito sa Dragonfly. For example, you have stocks here. So with your stocks, di ba, nakita mo dito all of the different stocks. May top gainers, losers, most active by volume. Ako, for here, when you do or invest in stocks, ako personally, I invest in stocks or companies that I believe in. For example, if I do like to invest in Ayala, di ba Ayala Corp, nandito siya, I search for the stock and then I look at, okay, magkano ang Ayala Corp? Now, when you click on Ayala Corp here, nakita mo magkano yung stock niya for today as of the trading moment. I'm shooting this video Monday, trading hours, kaya nakikita ko magkano and para instant siya. So, one stock or one share of that company is 510.50 pesos. Tapos, dito sa overview ng chart niya, nakikita ko in the past 6 months magkano siya. I can even select na 5 years and then nakita ko na okay, dati, nasa 700 pesos siya noong mga 2002. Ngayon, ito yung presyo niya sa 500 plus. So, if you want to buy this specific stock, you can click on buy. Nasa 511 pesos yung kanyang buying per stock or per share ng company niyan. And then, makita mo dito, ang quantity niya, minimum is 10. So, meaning, dapat, when I buy this, I want to invest here, importante sa akin is meron akong 5,125.08. Kasi guys, di ba, it's not only buying 10 shares of it, meron rin mga fees involved dyan, kaya siya 5,125.08. So, yun yung stocks if you want to buy stocks. Then guys, on the other hand, di ba sabi ko may mga REITs rin siya dito. If you want to look for REITs, just type in REITs sa stocks, and then ito yung mga REIT na meron siya dito for the app. So, meron ka A-REIT, C-REIT, M-REIT, and all of the rest as well. If you're going to look at A-REIT, guys, ito yung titinan mo. Sa A-REIT na to, di ba, ang isang share niyan is, our current value niya is 43.45 pesos. So, when you're going to buy, let's say, Ayala REIT, ito yung presyo niya. And when you click on buy, ang minimum kung nakita mo dito is 100, di ba? Lot size niya. Yun parang minimum na kailangan, pinakamaliit na pwede mong bilhin as of the moment. So that's why if you're going to look at it, diba, 43.45 times 100, it is as a 4,357.83 because meron siyang mga service fees involved. That's why it's 4,357.83. Okay, gets? Okay, now, guys, that's REITs naman. Now, we're going to go into the more important thing na sinabi ko kanina, which is funds. So for funds, I'll just have to click on the funds button here. Now, when you're going to look at the funds, marami siyang mga different funds dito. If you're going to see here, meron siyang 31 types of funds. For this video, syempre, ang gagawin kong example is the BPI US Equity Index Feeder Fund. Okay, why ito? Now, if we're going to look at the BPI US Equity Feeder Fund, PHP siya, nakikita mo rin dito guys, so aggressive, meaning higher risk, higher reward din siya. Now, if you're going to look at it here, if you're going to see here, di ba guys, pataas ng pataas yung chart niya dito. If you're going to look at it na, nung nag-start siya, meron siya dito, the available data here, dati sa 202 pesos lang siya noong 2024, and now, tingnan mo, nasa 258.49 pesos na siya. Now, if you're going to look at the product details, minimum investment mo dito is 1,000 pesos. And then, ang fund manager mo is BPI Wealth. Now, There's also the cost here that you're going to see. The trust fee per annum is 1.5%. Now, a lot of people might say na, syempre, you wanna go with the lowest trust fee, di ba? Kung meron mas mababa dito, you can go with it. And that's for you to find out kung ano yung mga different stocks or funds that you want to explore. Kaya sabi ko, do make sure that you do your own research. For research purposes, for this video purpose, ito ang gagamitin ko as an example. But guys, if you're going to click back ang daming mga other parang mga funds here that you can check. So guys, ikaw bahala kung saan mo gusto. Di ba may Manulife siya and BPI Manulife na pala. Okay. Anyways, going back there, di ba? And then, if you click down, di ba, you'll see here about. The about here, nakita mo, closely track the S&P 500 net total return. Di ba? So parang for me, that's why I like this. It's because I invest in the US stock market or the S&P 500, pero naka-localize yung setting niya. Di ba parang mas madali siya for me. Hindi ko kailangan maghanap ng other apps where I can invest in the S&P 500. Okay, nandito rin lahat naman to, mga prospectus niyan, guys. You can also read through it as well. Ito yung parang dito ko sinasabi na if you want to learn more about where this invests, click this one. Makita mo yung graph niya. For example, okay, if we're going to look at it, saan ba siya nag-i-invest mostly? Di ba? Okay, titingnan natin siya dito. Okay, ayan. When we click scroll here, top 10 holdings niya, Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet, Broadcom, Meta, Tesla, Berkshire Hathaway. So that's why sabi ko, ay, ito gusto ko to. So doon ako mag-invest. Diba? Okay, next. When you're going to look at this, okay, when you click on buy, kasi since this one, first time ko with you guys, perfect na lumabas to. Client Sustainability Assessment, your path to personalized fund recommendation. Click on start. Now, which of the following best describe your current stage? Okay, anong age mo? And then, you have to just answer it truthfully. Like, ako is eto yung age, little burden. How much investing experience do you have? Be honest, diba? Be honest with this. So, I'll answer 5 years. Which of the products have you invested? Meron ako nito, meron ako nito, meron ako nito, ito, at ito. Ang dami, okay. In general, what time was your period intended for investment? I believe long term, so go. What is your price for such a financial investment you can tolerate? I can tolerate very high. Which of the following best describe your overall investment objectives? For me, it's really aggressive growth. Kasi nga, parang mas bata pa naman ako, eto, I'm okay with aggressive growth. Go next. And then guys, i-review mo lang siya, confirm, click on I agree, and then explore funds. So guys, ayan, lalabas yung mga funds yan. Anyways, now, kailangan mo lang sagutin yan, then just let it be, diba? Okay, now let's go back to that fund. Sorry, nawala tayo bigla kanina, no? Guys, back to this fund, let's click on buy. And then here, if you're going to see here, minimum amount, single buy order is 1,000 pesos. So, single order or may auto-invest rin sila dito. Depending on you guys. Anyway, single order muna tayo. Ang auto-invest, ang kagandahan dito is at least recurring siya. Basta may pera siya, every month or every week, bi-weekly, or quarterly, pwede ka mag-invest. And ang kagandahan dyan, hindi mo na iniisip. Basta dapat may pera or para may fund siya. Kasi kung walang fund yan, hindi naman siya makaka-invest, di ba? Anyways, let's buy a single order. Now, today's date is January 2027. And then ang order ko is 1,000 pesos. Kasi nga ito yung minimum. If you're going to see here, indicative units, I can buy 3.8686 units. And then yung indicative NAV po niya or yung price niya per unit right now is 258.49 pesos. So, yun yung presyo na bibilihin ko at and then mabakabili ako with my 1,000 pesos ng 3.8686 units. Now, when I click on next, ito siya, I'll just confirm. And then when I click on confirm, your buy order is being processed. And then I can just check if kamusta na yung order ko. So, remember that the funds, it will take some time for it to be processed or maproseso siya. Now, it might take a day, 2 days. So, if na-submit na or nakita mo submitted na siya, okay na yan. Meaning, you've already invested, you've already bought your first fund. So, for now, iintayin ko na lang siya kung kailan mo siya ma-process. I will just put the update here. Makita nyo a confirmation. Usually, you also get an email to know na nabili mo na talaga siya. So, for now, it's still in process. So, iintayin ko na lang siya kung kailan mo siya matapos. Okay, now, so guys, what's important here? Now you've started or now you've invested it. Ito ang mga importante rin dito. Number 1, ang importante here is also, don't panic right away. Diba? Normal lang ups and downs ng market. That's how the market works. There are times na bababa siya, there are times na tataas siya. If you've seen a lot of my content rin din, dati di ba na nagkaguloan sa US, April 2025, di ba gulo-gulo nun? Bagsak talaga yung mga stocks ko, bagsak yung mga funds ko. Pero now, end of year last year, lahat naman tumaas din as well. Second, long-term mindset tayo. So when you invest, ang usual recommendation ko, dapat minimum 3 to 5 years. And if ever kaya mo, like ako, hindi, pag nag-invest na ako, wala na akong balak ilabas yan till I'm age 50 or 60. Importante sa akin, nakapag-invest ako, dyan na siya. The goal there is kailangan long-term ka mag-isip because you want it to grow. And the longer you are in the market, diba, they always say, you don't time the market. Ang importante dito is how long you've stayed in the market. Diba? When you read lots of these mga financial books, yun yung naging sinasabi. Importante is time in the market, not timing the market. Meaning, hindi mo itatime kung kailan bagsak. Basta importante, just invest, just be in the market. Number 3, importante rin dito guys, kailangan mag-add ka regularly. You have to be consistent. Kahit maliit lang yan, be consistent. Dapat meron. That's why, importante sa akin, meron akong investment day. Because pag 15 of the month, alam ko, kailangan kong bumili ng investment products ko. Either mag-a-add ako sa funds, magbibili ako ng stocks, basta kailangan meron akong ipasok. 4, do not compare. Guys, iba-iba ang financial journey ng bawat tao. Some people might be a trader. Some people might not be a trader. Like for me, I don't like to be a trader. Hindi ko siya gusto. Hindi ko type na magbantay ako ng individual stocks. Mas gusto ko funds. Gusto ko boring. Gusto ko wala na ako iniisip. Basta bibili na lang ako. Iba-iba ang kanyang tao. Iba-iba ang tao. Iba ang journey. Personal finance is always about being personal. Make it personal. Iba yung journey mo. Iba yung tatahaking mong landas sa personal finance mo. So make it personal. You don't need to compare. Huwag masyadong naririnig sa mga haka-haka ng ibang tao as well. Kaya nga lagi sinasabi, do your own research pa rin. And then, guys, invest only in the things that you believe in. Guys, ito lagi sinasabi, pag di mo alam kung ano yung investan mo or ano yung produkto na yan, don't invest. You have to understand it. You have to know the product. Diba? That's why I create these videos. Kung hindi mo pa siya naiintindihan, read through it. Understand the other products as well. Huwag kayo mag-invest because sinabi ni Jax. Again, kaya lagi siya sabi, this is not financial advice. And when you even personal message me, I don't tell you where to invest. I always say na these are the options that you can invest in. Pero importante, naiintindihan mo muna siya. If you don't understand it, don't invest. Because guys, sometimes sabihin mo, ay, parang narinig ko maganda to. Diba? And then paminsan, doon ako nagwawala ng pera because naniwala ako. If I don't understand it, hindi na talaga ako nag-invest doon because guys, most likely, baka scam rin yan. Or if it's too good to be true, yung mga earn 20%, 30% growth, ganyan-ganyan in a week. Guys, yan yung mga times kung bakit napapatulfo yung mga tao or yung mga kumpanya because guys, it might be a scam, 'di ba? If it's too good to be true, it might be. It is too good to be true. It might be a scam. It is a scam. So please, ingatan natin yan right now pa naman. Remember, my final reminders here as well is investing is again not timing the market. It's always time in the market, 'di ba? Hindi mo kailangan maging mayaman para magsimula. Hindi mo kailangan maraming pera bago magsimula. Guys, again, investing is not for the rich. When I was younger, I would always think na pang mayaman ata yan eh. But apparently it's not, and it's true because you've seen a lot of my different experiences. When I was in corporate, I was not earning as much as I am earning now. And I was able to invest kahit konti. I was not consistent, kaya lagi ko sinasabi sa inyo, guys, be consistent. Pero guys, kaya naman eh. You can do it. You just have to make that conscious effort. Hindi siya magiging madali. You would have to sacrifice some things because, again, hindi man tayo anak ng maraming pera or ng mga contractor. But, di ba, it is what it is. If you want to make an effort to invest for your future, you have to make that effort. It won't be easy. Hindi ko kayo lolokohin na sasabihin ko, madali lang siya. Yeah, it's madali pag nakita nyo yung app nga siya. Pero yung pera na yon, pinaghirapan natin. Yung pera na yon, pinaghirapan ko rin para makapag-invest ako. And when you see the growth in the future, dun ka matutuwa. That's where you're going to get encouraged na, oh my gosh guys, I should have started it early on. Parang yun yung importante. Diba? So parang, yun yung parang joy eh. And when you message me that you can pag-start, I was actually just last Saturday side kwento. I had drinks with my friends kasi. And then may isang nag-approach sa akin na, if I'm mistaken, Kyle ata name niya. Sabi niya, oh my gosh, na-meet niya ako. Sabi ko, thank you because napanood niyo yung video and he started investing in funds. So he's like 29 years old, tapos nag-invest siya in funds. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, good job. Kasi that's so early on your age. Relatively early, and then nakapag-invest ka na. And yun yung happiness ko na nakatulong yung content. Sabi ko, be consistent. Yun ang lagi ko sinabi sa kanya. So sabi ko, ang galing, di ba? So, di ba, everyone can do it. Anyone can do it. Basta you put your mind to it, you put that action. If natapos mo nga tong video na to, guys, hindi dapat naka-invest ka na. Di ba? Yun yung sinasabi ko eh. Kung natapos mo yung video to, sinabayan mo, sinundan mo yung mga sinabi ko, nag-invest tayo sabay, nakapag-invest ka na rin. So guys, if ever you want to start investing, definitely, di ba? There you have it. If you want more step-by-step instructions and guides, syempre comment down below. Alam ko may utang pa ako about the REITs. Ay, not the REITs. The pera. Kasi yung pera, hindi ko pa siya nagagawa right now. It's because I need to transfer my pera account to Dragonfly para mapakita ko sa inyo. I will have that soon. Abangan nyo lang siya. Pero I hope you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification button para you get notified every time I release a new video. So guys, anyways, if you want to do it, again, reminder, if you want to invest in yourself, invest in your future. 'Di ba? And syempre, invest today. Invest now. Huwag na ipasa bukas. And don't forget na guys, if you're going to invest, be consistent. Yun yung final reminder ko. And I will see you on the next vlog. Bye guys!